Hello and welcome to the Earth Heals Home Remedy series. Today we are making a garlic and honey cold remedy, which is 2 simple ingredients. You have a powerful home remedy. You will start with a sterilized mason jar. Then you will need to prepare the garlic. You will peel and pierce the garlic with a fork. This is to release the sulfur compounds in the garlic. The sulfur compounds in the garlic are the primary cause of its beneficial effects on your health. You will then cover the garlic with a good local organic honey. The combination of garlic and honey creates a potent mixture that is rich in antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties. Fermenting the garlic and honey enhances its nutritional benefits, making it even more effective in supporting the immune system, aiding digestion, and promoting healthy blood pressure levels. This mixture is antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, packed with antioxidants. Seal the jar and let it sit on the counter for 3 days. Open the jar to let out any gases and stir the garlic and honey. If you see tiny bubbles in the honey, it means the garlic has started to ferment. Reseal and let sit a couple of weeks or up to a month before using.